Money isn't just numbers, it's psychology. Two people can earn the same amount and end up in completely different places. One broke, one wealthy. Why? Because the way you think about money often matters more than how much you make. Most people were never taught how to think about money. They learned habits from parents, from friends, from society, not from experience or wisdom. And here's the tricky part. Your beliefs about money are usually formed long before you even start making money. Some people fear money, some people worship money, some chase it, others avoid it. But the people who build wealth, they understand that money is just a tool, and your mindset determines how effective that tool becomes. Today, we'll break down the psychology of money in just 10 minutes. The beliefs, habits, and thinking patterns that shape your financial life. If you want to get rich, stay rich, and build a healthy relationship with money, this video is for you. Let's get into it. 1. Your view on risk determines your wealth. Risk scares most people, and that fear keeps them poor. The wealthy don't avoid risk. They learn how to measure it. There's a difference between being reckless and being bold. Putting your savings into a random crypto coin equals reckless. Investing in a diversified index fund equals measured. Starting a business with research and planning equals measured. Spending your savings on a new car equals reckless. Here's the truth most people miss. Not taking risks is the biggest risk of all. Inflation eats your savings. Salaries rarely keep up with lifestyle. Your money needs to grow, or it slowly disappears. Let me know in the comments what's one financial risk you took that changed your life, or one you regret not taking. 2. Getting rich is a marathon, not a sprint. Our brains love quick wins. That's why people chase lottery tickets, get rich quick schemes, insane crypto pumps, and end up disappointed. Real wealth grows like a tree, slowly, silently, then suddenly. Most millionaires didn't strike gold. They built wealth step by step, small investments, smart decisions. Consistent habits, compound growth over years. The problem? Most people quit during the boring years, right before things would have gotten good. True wealth belongs to the patient. 3. You should always learn to improve. Your income is tied to your value, not your time. The more skills you gain, the more valuable you become. There's a reason self-made millionaires read constantly, take courses, and learn new things. They understand that the mind is the engine that prints money. Ask yourself, are you upgrading your brain or running on the same software from 5 years ago? Every new skill increases your financial ceiling. 4. Once you get rich, you still need rules to stay rich. Most people think getting rich is the hard part, but staying rich, that requires discipline. Money multiplies only when you protect it. Don't chase flashy investments. Diversify your income. Keep lifestyle inflation under control. Build emergency funds. Have long-term plans. It's easier to lose money emotionally than to earn it logically. Many people go broke after getting rich because they relax, assume the money will always be there, and forget the rules that made them wealthy. Staying rich means being humble enough to continue doing what works. 5. Trading time for money will keep you stuck. Most people only know one way to earn. Work, get paid. Repeat. But this creates a trap. If you don't work, you stop earning. The wealthy escape this by building systems that make money even when they sleep. Investments, businesses, digital products, real estate, stocks and dividends. Time is the most precious resource, and trading it forever is a slow path to burnout. Money should work harder than you do. 6. The never enough trap. Here's something most people never talk about. Wealth is not only about money, it's about psychology. Some people chase money endlessly because they're afraid of having too little. Others overspend to impress people they don't like. Some hoard money, others fear making money at all. If you don't fix your relationship with money, no amount will ever feel like enough. You'll keep chasing numbers, and happiness will always be one step away. Set a target. Understand your values. Build wealth with a purpose, not from fear. If this is opening your mind and helping you rethink money, hit subscribe right now. I make videos that teach you the skills, psychology, and strategies wealthy people use every day. Don't miss the next one. It may be the video that changes your financial future. 7. Your social circle shapes your financial mindset. This is one of the most powerful money principles that people ignore. If everyone around you complains about money, fears investing, lives paycheck to paycheck, thinks rich people are evil, you will unconsciously absorb these beliefs. We mirror the mindset of our environment. Surround yourself with people who think bigger, invest smarter, and have goals, and your psychology shifts naturally. This is why networking is one of the highest ROI investments you can make. Psychology of money isn't about being a genius. It's about understanding yourself, your habits, fears, emotions, and beliefs. Once you master your mindset, the financial results follow naturally. Remember, take calculated risks, think long-term, keep learning, protect your wealth, build systems, avoid the never enough trap. Surround yourself with the right people, apply these principles, and your entire relationship with money will change forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which point hit you the hardest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.